Welcome. Before we begin, notice that you made it here. Through the noise, through the tabs open in your mind, through the invisible pressure you've been carrying in your shoulders, your jaw, your stomach, your breath. And for the next few minutes, you do not need to solve anything. You do not need to perform calm. You only need to arrive. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again. Inhale slowly. Exhale even slower. Feel the solid surface beneath you, a chair or your bed. Feel the support under your body. Give yourself permission to be held for a moment. Now soften your jaw. Let your tongue relax from the roof of your mouth. Relax the tiny muscles around your eyes, the places that have been quietly bracing all day, maybe all year. Take another slow inhale, and as you exhale, imagine your nervous system loosening its grip, not collapsing, not giving up, softening, like unclenching a fist you forgot you were making. Good. Your body has been working hard to protect you. Even in moments when you looked calm. Even when you smiled. Even when you kept moving. Your body has been listening to every disappointment, pressure, interruption, unshed tear, unspoken resentment, silent exhaustion. And none of it made you weak. It made you human. Now, bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly if that feels comfortable. Feel the warmth of your hands. Notice your breathing underneath them. This body has carried you through so much, maybe more than anyone realizes, maybe more than you realize. Take a deeper breath in now. And exhale with a soft sigh. Allow your shoulders to drop, your belly to soften. Let your body receive the message. There is no emergency in this moment. Right here, right now, you are safe enough to soften. Now imagine your stress leaving your body like steam rising from warm tea. Nothing is forced or dramatic. A simple release. Your forehead softens. Your throat softens. Your chest softens. Your belly softens. Your hips soften. Even the space behind your eyes begins to quiet. And if thoughts keep appearing, that's okay. You're not failing meditation. Your mind learned to stay alert. Your body learned to stay prepared. Today, we are teaching it something new. We are teaching it safety, slowness, spaciousness, rest. Now, quietly say to yourself, I do not need to carry everything alone. Again, I do not need to carry everything alone. And notice what happens in your body when you hear those words. Take another slow inhale and exhale longer than before. Beautiful. Now, imagine your nervous system like water after a storm. The waves begin to settle. The surface becomes smoother. Not because life became perfect, because your body remembers how to return to itself. Stay here for a few more breaths. There's nothing to fix. Nothing is broken. Nothing to force. Just breathing. Just softening. Just being you It's enough. And before we close, place one gentle promise into your body today. Maybe slower mornings, sacred pauses, deeper breaths, less rushing, more truth, more rest, more playfulness. Small things change your nervous system. Tiny moments of safety matter. If you're ready to fall asleep or to take a nap, go for it. Otherwise, slowly begin to notice the room around you. The sounds, the air on your skin, the light. Wiggle your fingers gently. If it feels good, roll your shoulders. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Your body is not asking you to become someone new. It is asking you to come home to yourself. And that return can begin with one breath, right here, right now. Thank you for taking the time to heal yourself. If you resonate, subscribe to the channel. My name is Megan, and I'm your host. Have a wonderful rest of your day. With gratitude. Namaste.